To be calling you radical, drink up in San Diego. The desal plant, between 8 and 15% of all your water here. Well, I don't drink tap water. You drink beer? You take a shower? It's come from the desal plant, coming out of the ocean. You seen how the sea life's handling it? You seen the tide pools? They can't live in it. Seems like the whales are dying, the salmon are dying, the starfish are dying, but the desal water, it's fine. It's between 8 and 15% of all your water here. I don't drink tap water. Okay, all right. You drink beer? You drink, you take a shower? You take a shower? Don't drop your dry cask. You don't drop your dry cask container. That's Sinanofu. What's Fukushima? San Diego. One giant sea tavern. Drink up. Drink up. Stand tuned.